here's how to set up your data table in Microsoft Excel. You're going to first start on the top corner, and you're going to add the grade, so you can go ahead and write in kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth grade, whoever is playing. Then you want to include the question that your game is going to answer. So just to make one up, does distance affect a player's score? And once we have the question, we want to set up the labels, or I guess the headings for our table. The first one will be name, and then we want our standard. Because I'm looking at distance, I might say my first distance is 2 feet. And if I want to make this column a little bit wider to fit all of that text, I go to the top, double click on the end of B, and it's going to make it a little bit larger. My variable, because I'm looking at distance, is going to be further away, so it might be 4 feet. Again, I'm going to double click at the end of C, and it's going to make it a little bit larger. I may also want to make the name a little bit larger by just clicking and dragging it. So a couple of examples here. I'm just making up some numbers so that you can see. And as you are collecting your data, you will go ahead and just write the student's name who's playing, and you'll just input the data right into Microsoft Excel. It makes it really easy for you to create a graph. So now that you have this information, you may even want to make this fancy and go ahead and bold your heading. You're going to highlight all of your data from your data table, and in order for you to create the graph, you're going up to Insert, and you're going to choose the graph that best represents your data. Because I'm looking at two different ones, I probably want like a 2-column side by side. So all I need to do is just move my graph over, and now we have Dina, Carly, Alex, and Daniel's data right here. Check out the next video on how you can alter the graph to make it look fancy, or if you need to add more data to it as well.